Mayor's office.
Hello, is this Blair Milo, the mayor of LaPorte City, Indiana?
No, it's not. Can I help you?
I hope so. I'm trying to speak with Blair Milo, the LaPorte City mayor.
Okay, she just left for a chamber meeting. Is there something I can help you with?
Yeah, I really don't know who else to communicate my complaint with
Sure.
in this town because I've reached a sort of high enough rung on the ladder as far as authority goes. I really don't know if there's anybody other than the mayor I could take my complaint to.
Okay. What's your complaint?
Are you the mayor?
No, but you're not going to get to talk to her until you tell me what it's regarding.
Okay, well, basically, I'm a disabled individual. I believe that I was battered by a correctional officer. I called the police to report the incident. I was then battered by a police officer. None of my complaint was taken seriously. I believe that it was in part due to my disability and the fact that I was being retaliated against for calling the actual police upon the jail police. I then went to the police station to make a complaint about that. I was physically removed. I notified them several times that I had committed no crime. I was disabled. I knew exactly who I wanted to speak to.
When you say you went to the
I'm not
police,
done.
I didn't mean
Hold
to
on.
interrupt you. Did you go to the city police or to the county police?
LaPorte City Police Department to file a complaint upon one of their officers that responded the prior day with the correctional officer incident. I was then physically removed from the jail. They took some of my property I have a couple pocket knives in my pocket. To me, they're just tools. Like I pick my fingernails with them, but little pocket knives. But the officer said something about me being merely in possession of them was a threat, so I gave him the benefit of the doubt and put them on this counter that was there. Well, then they took them. That's confiscating my property without due process. And then when I asked for them, when I was removed from the building and demanded my property back, these officers, two different officers, threw my knives at me. These are knives. I mean, they weren't opened or anything, but it's still not dangerous thing to do. Like, it was negligent and it was retaliatory. Okay, and then I go to your office, the mayor's office, whatever that building is called, this LaPorte City Governmental Hub or something. I went to the Hub of Awesomeness, within the Hub of Awesomeness, and I asked to speak to the Human Rights Commission. I was informed by Rebecca McQuaig, the LaPorte City attorney, who in a legal interest would represent the LaPorte City Police Department, so she cannot do really anything with this at all. She interjected herself voluntarily and took my complaint I believe she played off of my disability, and I thought that she was taking my complaint representing me in an advocative form, as well as the human rights representative that did show up from Michigan City. When she took my complaint, I informed him several times that I thought things were awry and that she shouldn't be taking my complaint because she's a conflict of interest legally. She cannot take my complaint legally. This actually happened.
Your opinion.
No, it's not my opinion. Please do not assume that I am stupid. It is illegal for her to do it, and I have it on CD-ROM. Like, I'm not going to play this game with the mayor's secretary. It's illegal. Until you become an attorney, I'm not going to argue with you about it. Like, she doesn't know, so I'm assuming if you're answering her calls, you don't know either. I'm not here to argue with you. You asked me what the situation was. I told you I would prefer to talk to the mayor. You asked me to explain what it is as a buffer for the mayor. I'm doing so.
Would you like to leave your name and number, sir?
No, I would like to actually talk to somebody because after this, if I don't have some sort of answers today, I'm going above you guys, all right? I fully understand how to get this accomplished. I'm trying to give you guys the benefit of the doubt, but I'm not stupid. I know how to make the federal government come in here and make you guys act right with the rules. I know what all the rules are. I know what rules you violated. I know the proper people to contact to make you guys follow the rules. Like, I'm really trying to act on a little bit of faith here because I live in this community. But if necessary, I'll move. It's not a big deal. But I'm not going to argue with you about what the laws are, all right? I'm not stupid. I'm fully aware that several things were done wrong. I'm offering you guys the opportunity to fix it voluntarily. Okay? So don't misunderstand what this call is about. I'm not seeking out information. I'm seeking out a solution, and if you don't have it, I'll go find it elsewhere.
Okay, well, good luck, sir.
Absolutely. Goodbye.